Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Here, few things to add to this chart. Yeah, few news and few remarks to make. I think quite important ones. While there hasn't been a lot of movement in the price, there's still a few new developments here on this chart. So I, at the moment, am getting skeptical if the low was really in here. Yeah, this is why it's so important to observe the market all the time, because things can change, things can shift. Yeah, nothing major really, but if you know this count is not working out, okay, which is not a problem. You know, we can go easily to another count with this latest high, but it has a few. You know, it comes with a few strings attached. So earlier today, we talked about that this could be a first 5-wave move up, then here a wave 2 down, right? Okay. Then the view was then this would have to be a wave 3. You know, the strength, how this started, all fine. Could have been a bull flag. What happened? It didn't make it, right? Came down. Now it hasn't broken below the wave 2 low yet, but still the strength of the decline is not, I'm not happy about it, okay? And in addition to that, ideally, if this is a wave 3, we should really move a bit stronger. So far, Ethereum has failed to deliver on the bullish assumptions yet. Yeah, but as I said in the previous video, we couldn't confirm that a low was in anyway. It was too early, but the assumption is there. So we still need to be on the side of caution here with Ethereum. Especially because for Bitcoin, we can't really count a reliable low. Yeah, and even though, you know, what I think about correlations, they often they are not a rule. Yeah, but you know, without a doubt, there are correlations between Bitcoin and Ethereum to a degree. So if Bitcoin gets sold off once more, should it happen, then Ethereum will probably come down as well with it. Yeah, to a degree at least. So at the moment, I'm counting this as a wave 1, and I've been waiting here for a wave 2 low. I put it yesterday in the Telegram members group that I said, if Ethereum now retraces, I will assume a low is in if it holds the 78.6% retrace. Now, what level would that be? We're talking about 1226. So as long as it holds above that level, I am now assuming a low is in. Yeah, with this wave count, 5 waves up, I'm happy that the wave 2 can come down a bit deeper. I'd actually like to see a bit of a stronger sell-off now. But again, it needs to hold above 1226. Ideally, I'm looking at this region to find support between the 61.8 and the 50% FIB level, which is between 1251 and 1268. Let's see if we get there. It would be ideal. And then we can move up. You know, I'm happy with that. But again, there is a few things. If Ethereum fails to deliver on this bullish setup here, then we will probably see one more low. Yeah, and that was anyway the original idea, that we get one more low, but because we moved up so much, it sort of invalidated the imminent downward move count. But it's still possible to see one more low, of course, you know. So it all depends on if this 1226 level is holding now or not. On the flip side, a break above the 1342 level would put more weight on this bullish count as well. So again, at the moment, not to confuse you, at the moment I am of the view the low was in, at least carefully. Yeah, so we can make that assumption, but it's not confirmed yet. So this can change. You need to know that. What also with the latest development here, what came to my mind is, well, this could become another extended triangle. That move down hasn't really invalidated a larger triangle. That's still possible. So just to show you what could happen, I hope it doesn't, because it would be super boring, that we had here a wave A, that this is a wave B of a triangle. There will be C, D, E. You can see how long that could take. And then the wave 4 would be here. And then we will see another wave 5 down. The reason for me to consider this suddenly is because Bitcoin sort of, we can't count a reliable bottom in place for Bitcoin, right? So, and today, yeah, I mean, we did expect a bit of a retracement, yeah, and now we just need to see how far do we come down. Ethereum really needs to show something stronger, yeah, in order to put more weight on this bullish count. We can currently assume the low is in, but what Ethereum has shown so far was not yet strong enough. Let's see if it over the weekend maybe continues to move to the upside, or at least we test here new lows, or at least higher lows, but we'll hold the 1226 level, the 78.6% retrace. That's important to hold that level. So so primarily, ideally I'd see now a little bit lower lows, hold the 1226 level, then move higher. Yeah. So that's my view at the moment. We just need to consider this could still become an extended triangle. So the short-term bearish options are not exhausted. We can still see one more low, maybe in a triangle, but it could then extend out a bit further. So the key for me is breaking above the wave 1 high at 1345 would be important, and then moving above the eventually the $1,400 level. That would be important to consider here. The wave 1, so the breakout with a bit more weight. Okay, that's my update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.